Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Matrix and Possible. Today we will be using watercolors, and yes, you will be learning how to paint a beautiful leaves using watercolors. I'll be using Dome's watercolor cakes. You can use any watercolors of your choice. Initially, draw the leaves using pencil, or else you can directly start drawing with the paint. Whichever suits the best for you, go for it. To paint the leaves, as we have seen in the initial video of painting flowers, we will be using the similar technique where you will be applying water first over the entire leaf, and then you will take a leaf green and then you will start applying all around the leaf to get a good texture, and then, as we have told earlier, light tone first, dark tone at the last. Every leaf need not be same. Every leaf is unique in nature. So try playing out with colors, use different shades of green, but one thing keep it in mind, always start painting with the light colors, and then at the end you can give the darker color. I hope all of you are having fun painting the leaves. If you liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel Matrix and Possible. Keep watching for more such videos and keep learning. Until next time, see you, bye bye.